National Opera Theatre. I think this is the building number 1 in Odessa by the beauty, I mean. So the building is located on the big square, and you can find here the board on the wall with the names of heroes of Soviet Union. Yeah, means that this board stays here since Soviet Union time, and there's a layout, a small layout of opera theater. Yeah. So yeah, very nice building. Here is the main entrance to the theater. Sometimes, as you see here, is some restoration work. Here is a cash desk hall. Of course, now people buy tickets through internet, but still there are a lot of visitors who prefer to come here to buy paper version of tickets. It's like tradition. Yeah. So there are 2 main staircases on the theater, right and left, and generally here is the main attraction of the theater. Now you will understand why. Generally, this is the second building, yeah, of the opera theater. The first one was erected in 1807 and burned down in 1873. This one, this current one building, was erected in 1887 by architect Felner and Gelmer in Viennese Baroque style. The interior of the auditorium is stylized as the late French Rococo architecture. The unique acoustic of the horseshoe-shaped hall allows you to convey even a whisper from the stage to any corner of the hall. The complete restoration of the theater building was completed 2007. Yeah. By the way, Forbes magazine included the Odessa theater in the list of the most unusual sites in Eastern Europe. So here is on the video. Here is the hall. I can say it can call this hall promenade hall. Yeah, half half semi-sphere, yeah, shape, and there is a balcony. Yeah, usually people walk around here. So Theater Odessa has been leading its history almost since the founding of the city. Odessa received the right to build the theater in 1804, becoming the 3rd city with a theater in the Russian Empire. In 1809 it was already built. The author of the project was the French architect Thomas de Thomon, something like this, the author of a number of buildings in St. Petersburg. The building was located a little bit higher than the modern one, closer to the Palace Royal Park, and it was perceived as a monument to the young city. The architecture of the building was designed in classic style. The theater accommodated 800 spectators, and but to regret, in January 1873 the theater was completely burned down due to ignition of the gas burner that eliminated the clock at night. Then it was proposed to the Viennese architects Felner and Gelmer to create a project for the new city theater. According to whose design, theaters were built in many cities in Austria-Hungary Empire. The project was completed in 1882 on the sample of Dresden Opera, built 4 years earlier. So it was the model Dresden Opera, the Odessa Theater. So the new theater opened in 1887. During the Second World War, German troops planned to blow up the theater building during the retreat, but unfortunately this didn't happen. So now I think you related the 2 staircases of the theater. There are a lot of sculptures, very nice one. Lately you'll see an audience hall. Yes, and at the end some short stages from play Red Cap. I think you know this well-known fairy tale. So Odessa Opera Theatre.